Yes, yes, yes. Every day, throughout the year, throughout the year. Now, first question was, first question was state true or false. Product of two different integer can be zero. So, if you take two different integer, whether their multiplication can be zero. So, I have taken example a as 2, b as 0, and 2 is not equal to 0. So, a and b are different integer. But what about their product? A dot b is 2 into 0, 0. So a dot b is 0. Product of two integer is 0. But the integers are different. A is 2, b is 0. So even though the integers are different, the product can be 0. So the answer is true. Now second question. Product of 120 negative integers and 121 positive integers. Product of 120 negative integers and 121 positive integers. 121 positive integers is negative. Is negative. The product is given negative. We have to verify. There are 120 integers. 120 integers. 120 integers. They have minus sign. They are negative. All are negative. Correct? 120 integers are negative. 121 integers, they are negative. 121 integers, they are negative. And their product means multiplication. And 121 integers are positive. 121 integers, all are having plus sign. Correct? So I have told you, whenever it is multiplication of negative integers, you have to check whether the number of integers are even or odd. If it is even, so even number of integers multiplied by, my dear, clear it is. Even number of integers, even number of integers multiplied by minus sign is positive, correct? So what is 120, even or odd? Tell me. This 120 is even or odd? It is even. Even. So whenever even number of integers are multiplied with minus sign, their result will be positive. Yes or no? This I have told you last period. Whenever even number of integers are multiplied with minus sign, the product will be positive. Whenever odd number of integers are multiplied with minus sign, the product will be product of 120 negative. Yes. Yes. No. No, my dear. That concept we see only for negative integer. If all are plus, for positive sign we don't see the odd or even. If all are having plus sign, no. So only we see the minus sign, only we see the even or odd for negative integers. For positive integers we don't count whether they are even or odd. Simply it will be plus. If all are plus, it is all are plus, then it will be plus. Now what is product of plus into plus? What is product of plus into plus? Plus. So final sign is plus sign, no? Final sign is plus sign. So answer is false. Answer is false because it is given negative, no? See what is given in the question. It is given negative and we are getting positive. 120, this even or odd only you have to check for negative integers. If integers are even number, then minus sign becomes plus. If integers are odd, minus sign becomes minus. For positive integers, we don't check even odd. It will be plus only in all the case. In all the case, it will be plus only. So what is the answer? False. Correct? The answer is false. Because it comes 120 integers multiplied by minus sign give you 120 is even. So final sign will be plus. 120 are positive. So final sign will be plus. So plus into plus will be plus. So we are getting plus sign. The product is plus sign, but in the question it is given negative. So answer is false. Answer is false because in the question it is given negative sign, whereas we are getting, yes, right. Whereas we are getting positive sign. This video I will send it. You can look at the video, no problem. Yes. So even if you miss something, you can have a look at the video. Now third is A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Third A. Yes. Wait. A into B plus C. A into B plus C in the bracket is equal to A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Whether this is correct or incorrect, that we have to find out. Wait. We will see it. You take A as 1, B as 2, C as 3 and find out what is A into B plus C. A into B plus C, this is my left hand side. So A is 1 into B plus C, 2 plus 3, just put the value. So that is 1 into 2 plus 3. First we have to simplify the bracket. 2 plus 3 is 5. What is 1 into 5? 5. So A into B plus C, this value is 5. Correct? Let us find out the right hand side. In this you do one thing. You take A as 2, B as 3 and C as 4. Take this. Don't take 1, 2, 3. So this is 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 into 3 plus 4. So you take this as 2 into 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. Don't take 1, 2, 3. You take number 2, 3, 4. Let us find right hand side. What is my right hand side? Right hand side is A into B plus C. What is A? A is 2 into B. B is 3 plus C. C is 4. So whenever multiplication and addition sign are together, you have to follow BODMAS. BODMAS means first open the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition. So out of plus and multiplication, which sign you will perform first? Tell me. Which sign you will perform? Multiplication. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 4, that is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So A into B plus C, this value is 10 and this value is 14. Whether they are equal? Tell me. This value is 14, this value is 10. Whether they are equal? No. They are not equal. So answer is false. So we write you will write that A into B plus C is not equal to. We write, this is the symbol not equal to A into B plus C. So this is not equal, so answer is false. Now what is the correct form of this? So we write correct form is, what is the correct form? A into B plus C. The correct form will be, whichever term is outside, that you have to multiply to each term of the bracket. When you open the bracket, outside term you have to multiply to each term of the bracket. So what that will be? Tell me. What that will be? You have to multiply, plus. Yes, so that will be A into B plus A into C. This is the correct form. This is the correct form. Is it clear? So this is the correct form. Outside term you have to multiply to each term of the bracket. So answer is false. A into B plus C is not equal to A into B plus C. So which is correct form? The correct form is A into B plus C will be A into B plus A into C. Then fourth one, B minus C into A, B minus C into A is equal to B minus C, B minus C into A, B minus C into A. Bracket is removed. Bracket is removed. So now you tell me what should be the answer. Yes, now you have known the false. You have known the answer, no? You have known the technique. Yes, right. So you know the correct form. You know the correct form. Yes, what is the correct form? That, yes. This outside you have to multiply to each term. Outside you have to multiply to each term. So correct form is, yes, what is the correct form? Tell me. So answer is false. Answer is false. Answer is false. We write correct form is yes. This outside number you have to multiply to each term. So that will be B minus C into A. B minus C into A is equal to, yes, what is that? That will be B into A. B into A minus C into A. So this is the correct form, and it is not given in the correct form. It is only given B minus C into A. So this answer is false. This answer is false. This answer is false. And you can take few number also and you will come to know. You can take few number, no problem. Let me do it by taking few numbers also. Let me do it by taking few numbers. You can take A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 3. What is B minus C into A? What is B minus C into A? Just put the value. Put the value of BCA. 4 minus 3 into 2. 2. What is 4 minus 3? First you will simplify the bracket. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 into 2. Answer is 2. So B minus C into A, answer is 2. Let us find the other side. B minus C into A. Let us find B minus C into A. What is B? B is 4. 4. C is 3. 4 minus 3 into 2. So in this case it is coming. In this case it is coming. So what you will do? You take A as 3. Wait. B as 5 and C as 4. How we have done earlier? In the same way, you change the number. In this case it is coming equal, but it is not applicable to all the numbers. It is not applicable to all the numbers. You check whether this is correct for this number also. Now what is B minus C? In book also you have to write. Now what is B? Tell me. B 5. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 into 3. Is it clear? 5 minus 4 into 3. That is 1 into 3. Correct. Answer is 3. So B minus C into A is 3. Okay. Let us check the other number. B minus C into A. What is B? B is 5 minus 4 into A. A is 3, no? Now see here. Now see here. Now there is minus, there is multiplication. Which you will perform first? BODMAS. Multiplication. So this I will perform first. Yes, BODMAS. You have to follow BODMAS. First you have to multiply, then you have to subtract. So it will be 5 minus 4 into 3, 12. What is 5 minus 12? 5 is positive, 12 is negative. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number, take the sign of bigger number. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Which number is bigger? 12 minus 7. So B minus C into A is minus 7. Whether both are equal, this is 3, this is 7, minus 7. Whether they are equal? Tell me whether they are, no. B minus, so B minus 7, B minus C into A, B minus C into A. So we write 3 is not equal to minus 7. 3 is not equal to minus 7. So B minus C, yes, that also will work. That also will work. My dear, you can continue with that number, no problem. So B minus C into A is not equal to B minus C into A. You can continue with that number. So what is important? Don't subtract first. You have to perform multiplication first. You have to perform multiplication first.